Man, you know, if OJ had this Bronco, he probably would have got away. We just wrapped up this Ford Bronco Badlands here at Battle Born Offroad, and this is exactly how I would spec out a Bronco if I personally owned one. This is an awesome setup, especially if you're gonna be hitting the trails. This two-door, 2.3 EcoBoost with the Ford Performance tune on it absolutely rips. We've got the Fox 2.5 Series Performance Elite shocks with the DSC. In addition to the Fox Performance Elite, we've got a set of Elevate upper control arms. Because we put such big tires on here, you know the steering systems on these Broncos aren't the stoutest from the factory, so we went with the Bronkbuster steering brace. That's gonna beef up everything on the steering rack, ensuring that you have no problems running these large tires. We've got a set of these Method MR703 wheels in a satin black 17-inch. They're wrapped up in a set of these Yokohama Geolander MT tires. Of course, we had to have a full-size spare in the back, and obviously a 37 is not gonna fit on the Bronco spare tire carrier. So we installed the Turn Off-Road heavy-duty tire carrier. This is gonna give us a little bit more space to clear that 37-inch tire. It raises the brake light, so you still have use of your third brake light here, and it's gonna reinforce the tire carrier on the tailgate, so you don't have any bending of the factory tailgate system. This open and closes like it would from the factory. Very smooth, very stout. I like this Turn Off-Road product. Now, because we've got these big 37-inch tires on this Bronco, we wanted to be able to change the tire size so the speedometer and the odometer is always correct. And we wanted a little bit more power to help spin these tires and make daily driving not such of a challenge with a big tire like this. So, Ford Performance, they came through with their ProCal system. This system is fully backed by Ford with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, as long as it's installed by a Ford dealership or a red letter installer like Battle Born Offroad. 330 horsepower and 385 foot-pounds of torque. Chirping the tires there, huh? And that amount of power in this light Bronco with its manual transmission is such a blast to drive. 22 pounds of boost. Man, we're ripping. And there you go. This has got more than enough power to spin the 37s. With the crawl gear on this manual transmission, you should be able to get over everything. This feels quicker than the 6-cylinder Broncos that we have in here, the stock ones. But if you guys are looking for more performance, check out this Ford Performance ProCal system. You would not be unhappy with the performance it's making. This is a package that is worthy of putting on your Bronco. And you know what? The price is right. Check it out online, battlebornoffroad.com. We sell the entire line of Ford Performance parts. We are authorized installers, red letter installers. So if you guys are looking for upgrades for your Bronco or any other Ford, check us out.